Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of UpKeep. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, you're likely dealing with equipment that needs regular attention. Today, we're going to explore the world of scheduled restoration tasks, which are complete overhauls of machinery or equipment done on a predetermined schedule. We'll discuss their purpose, process, ideal candidates, and even share a real-world example. We'll also touch upon how a computerized maintenance management system, or CMMS, can aid in scheduling these tasks. So buckle up and let's get started. Let's dive into the world of scheduled restoration tasks. These are complete overhauls of machinery or equipment that are performed on a predetermined schedule, regardless of the condition of the equipment. So what's the purpose of these tasks? Well, scheduled restoration maintenance tasks are designed to bring a piece of equipment or machinery back to its original operating condition. They're not simply about repair, inspection, or cleaning to keep things running smoothly. Instead, they're about restoring the equipment to its original state, which can often extend its lifespan and reduce costs in the long run. In many cases, these restoration tasks are required on major pieces of equipment that should have a long lifespan if maintained well. The cost of a complete overhaul after a certain amount of time is often less than replacing the equipment with a brand new model. And these restoration maintenance tasks take place whether or not the equipment is malfunctioning. In some ways, these overhauls are performed to stay ahead of any major problems or breakdowns that could have a significant impact on a business or organization. These scheduled restoration maintenance tasks can be performed on a wide variety of medium or large size equipment, depending on the nature of a particular business. For example, a factory or plant may have certain pieces of equipment on its production line that require regular overhauls to restore them to their original condition. Here's how it works. First, a maintenance technician will inspect the equipment by checking exterior conditions such as paint or rust, and interior parts such as belts or pulleys that can be examined visibly. Then, a computer diagnostic system can be used to further check electrical and mechanical operations. After a complete inspection, the equipment is completely disassembled, serviced, and reassembled, so it is restored to near-new condition. This type of maintenance is ideal for mid-sized or large pieces of equipment such as excavators, articulated haulers, and wheel loaders. However, it might not be the best choice for small, compact equipment, which typically has a high resale value. In these cases, a company may find it more beneficial to sell a used piece of compact equipment and buy new. Let's look at a real-world example. Imagine a construction or demolition company that uses a wide variety of wheel loaders, which are versatile mobile shovels used to move material from stockpiles to trucks or around job sites. Depending on the use of the wheel loader, a scheduled restoration may be in order around 12,000 to 15,000 hours. However, if the equipment has been worked hard, such as in a rock quarry, you may want to schedule restoration at the lower end of that range. In a lighter workload environment such as waste handling, you may be able to go to the upper end of that range. A complete restoration would require that the wheel loader is taken apart down to a bare frame. Parts are sandblasted, and the equipment is reassembled, primed, and painted. In the end, the restored wheel loader is just as good as new or even better, because the replaced components are often more sophisticated and higher quality than the originals. So, how do you schedule these restoration tasks? Well, with a CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management System, you can schedule restoration maintenance tasks easily once a determination has been made on the frequency of the tasks. Although some pieces of equipment can be scheduled for restoration at certain time intervals, most require a more detailed examination in order to effectively schedule restoration maintenance tasks. Before scheduling restoration maintenance, you will want to examine the type of equipment being scheduled, the age of the machine, and how the machine has been used in the facility. After considering these factors and industry standards, a maintenance supervisor or director must make the decision on the ideal time for restoration maintenance to be scheduled. And that's a wrap on scheduled restoration tasks. They're an essential part of maintaining and extending the life of your equipment and can save you time, money, and headaches in the long run. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the importance of scheduled restoration tasks, how they extend the lifespan of your equipment, and how a CMMS can aid in scheduling these tasks. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. For more resources and information, please visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.